Today we are looking at the Ranger pH kit. This is an unboxing video to see everything you get in the kit itself. Kits are a great way of getting everything you need in the one spot, so you don't forget anything. You can open it up and get started straight away. Alright, so the heart and soul of any kit that you purchase with TPS, with the Ranger, is obviously the Ranger Handheld itself. You'll notice it has a protective silicone sleeve around it, which comes with the kit as standard. Great for that extra layer of protection with droppages and so forth, and yeah, really good just for the extra grip when you're holding it, makes it nice and comfortable. In the kit you also get some protector caps, which can just be easily snapped onto the ports when they're not in use, just to help protect from dust and moisture and so forth. When it comes to charging, you obviously need a charger, so you've got the charging cable, which is a magnetic strip which plugs nice and easily into place. That's a dust-proof feature there. Great for the field. No stumbling around trying to find the port, it just snaps in easily into place. Has the USB connection on the end of that, which obviously can be used for data transfer into your computer. And to finish off, it comes with the power adapter that plugs into the wall. The sensors come in a nice box, just like the Ranger does. It has its own custom box for shipping and storage. As standard, we offer the pH 104. The 104 has a bullet tip bulb at the end of it, which is a little bit more robust. So we offer that because most people are using the Ranger in the field, and yeah, it just has a bit more strength to the actual, to the glass electrode at the bottom there. With each probe, you get a cable. As standard, there's 1 meter cable included. These have nice, easy push-pull connectors that clip into place. Nice feature for the Ranger. Obviously, if something goes wrong, you can swap those out as well. Moving on to the buffer solutions, in the pH kit, you get the 3 buffer solutions, which spans the entire spectrum there, from pH 4, pH 7, and pH 10. And to finish off, we also include a handy calibration jar, which you can never find a calibration jar when you need one, so that also comes included in the pH Ranger kit.